Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be looking at NVIDIA, teaming up with Eli Lilly to build an AI lab focused on drug discovery. NVIDIA, releasing a blueprint for AI-powered retail shopping assistants. Microsoft Copilot rolling out cross-device reminders with mobile push notifications, and early user backlash emerging around Copilot's recent UX changes. Let us start with a big move in the pharmaceutical space. NVIDIA and Eli Lilly announced a joint AI co-innovation lab that is all about accelerating drug discovery using generative and simulation-based AI. The idea here is to combine NVIDIA's AI computing stack, including tools like NeMo and BioNeMo, along with their accelerated GPUs and foundation models for chemistry and biology, with Lilly's proprietary biomedical data and internal research pipelines. The goal is ambitious but very practical. Researchers will be able to test billions of molecular hypotheses computationally, meaning inside a computer simulation, before they ever run a physical experiment in a real lab. That concept is sometimes called in silico testing, and it can dramatically cut down the time and cost of early-stage drug research. The initial work is going to focus on small molecule discovery, protein design, and optimizing clinical trials. NVIDIA said in their press release, quote, "AI is transforming every industry, and nowhere is the potential more profound than in life sciences," end quote. And from Lilly's side, the lab aims to, quote, "explore billions of possibilities in silico before a single experiment is run," end quote. The framing here is really about treating AI models not as supplementary tools, but as core research infrastructure. They are calling it science as engineering, and the scope covers everything from preclinical discovery all the way through early clinical stages. This is one of the most concrete deployments of frontier AI into pharmaceutical research and development we have seen, and it could meaningfully change how new medicines get developed. Now, shifting over to retail, NVIDIA also made news by unveiling a reference blueprint for building AI-powered retail shopping assistants. This is not a consumer chatbot you download from an app store. It is a production-ready agent architecture designed for large retailers who want to deploy AI assistants across web, mobile, and even in-store kiosks. The system combines large language models with recommendation engines and real-time inventory data, so it can support conversational shopping experiences, personalized product discovery, and post-purchase support. It is built on NVIDIA's enterprise AI stack, including NeMo and their NIM microservices platform. The key word here is blueprint. NVIDIA is giving partners a customizable starting point rather than asking them to build from scratch. In their announcement, NVIDIA said the blueprint is intended to, quote, "accelerate deployment of AI assistants in real-world retail environments," end quote. Retail now joins healthcare and robotics as a priority vertical for NVIDIA's AI agent strategy. And the fact that they are releasing a structured framework like this shows that AI agents are moving well beyond the demo stage and into real deployable systems that companies can adapt to their own needs. On the Microsoft side of things, Copilot got a notable new feature this week. Microsoft started rolling out a reminders feature for Copilot across Android, iOS, and Windows. Users can now ask Copilot in natural language to set one-time or recurring reminders, and those notifications get delivered directly to smartphones that have the Copilot app installed. Free users can set up to 5 reminders, while Microsoft 365 subscribers get up to 20. The feature is rolling out gradually, so not everyone has access yet, but the trajectory is clear. Copilot is evolving from a chat-based tool into something that acts more like a persistent, task-oriented personal assistant that follows you across devices. The Microsoft Copilot team described the feature as helping Copilot act as a, quote, cross-device assistant, end quote, and Windows Central noted that Copilot can now, quote, send reminders straight to your phone, end quote. This positions Copilot more directly alongside what Google is doing with Gemini tasks and what OpenAI has been working on with long-term memory features in ChatGPT. It is a small feature on paper, but it represents a meaningful shift in what these AI assistants are expected to do for people day to day. However, not all the Copilot news this week was positive. As Microsoft continues to expand Copilot's capabilities, user complaints about UX regressions have resurfaced and gained momentum. Users across forums and social platforms reported losing access to advanced controls, seeing fewer modes, and experiencing reduced transparency in how the assistant operates. These discussions picked up steam right around the time the new reminders feature started rolling out. Some users were pretty blunt in their assessments. One Reddit user on the Copilot Pro subreddit wrote, quote, "The experience went from 10 to 0 overnight," end quote. Windows Central's own commentary noted that the update makes it, quote, "harder for Microsoft to state its case against ChatGPT," end quote. Some users explicitly compared Copilot unfavorably to both ChatGPT and Gemini in terms of usability and control. The core tension here is a classic one in software design, but amplified by the pace of AI development. Microsoft is trying to simplify the experience for mass adoption, but in doing so, they risk alienating power users who relied on the configurability and depth of the previous interface. Trust and UX consistency are quickly becoming competitive differentiators in the AI assistant market. And this is a reminder that shipping new features fast only works if the underlying experience feels reliable and coherent to the people actually using it every day. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.